So the metaverse, I mean, shit. Well, yeah, what are those infrastructure components, right?
Yeah.
I don't even think you could determine. Yeah, you can't even come up with that until you figure out like the the value proposition of the metaverse. Like, yeah, who's the demographic?
Yeah.
Who do we want participating?
Yeah.
And then like, what do we want them doing? And then for what purpose and what value can come of that? And then we can start thinking of infrastructure.
See, they say that the metaverse is going to be the next internet, but the internet has provided something that was very difficult to achieve before the internet, which was worldwide communication.
Yeah.
What does the metaverse enable that is very difficult to achieve without the metaverse?
I guess based on what I'm seeing, like how the metaverse is playing out, how people like, Herman Narula and Improbable talk about the metaverse, and Mark Zuckerberg himself, it's like basically the same thing, communication, but like with the presence. That's why like Improbable is focusing so hard on like bringing as much physical presence as you can into the metaverse, like increasing the threshold of people that could be together in a singular space and time within the metaverse itself. So it's communication, but like I guess
imagine
having a presence for that.
Imagine you go to google.com right today. You go to the website. It's just a blank page, a text box. You enter it. You search for stuff. What would that look like in the 3D world where all of us can join this like space where we can see others like also searching, maybe not seeing what they're searching, but you know that there's like millions of people concurrently on Google trying to search for stuff.
Why would you want that space to begin with? Like,
I don't know. It's a 3D version of the internet, right?
No, but I think like
imagine
but you're just gonna like I don't know. You'll probably, from an individual user standpoint, like whatever verse you're in, you're got to be connected to some sort of application layer, right? That's able to conduct these search functions within the metaverse itself, right? So it could simply be something like, I don't know, like an emote even. You know how you could program an emote from an avatar to, you can have a custom emote that searches for, it pops up like a search function interface or something, and then I don't know, maybe like it listens to your voice. You could just literally add like an in metaverse Siri, basically, or what's the Google version? Alexa.
Alexa, yeah.
Yeah, it'd be like, hey Alexa, like in the metaverse.
Of course. Of course.
I don't.
What I'm saying is Google has tons of like daily active users on the website. What if they leverage the metaverse concept and they put people's like avatar in front with each other, like you can feel like there's others like on the page right now?
I think that would be impossible. I think like because how many users have like on Google like concurrently? Probably like
millions,
tens of millions at any given time. Probably not possible.
I mean, but okay, you don't need to see all millions, but if you see like 10,000 people there, like in a room, and they're all like, they're there because they're searching stuff, just like you.
Okay,
but the fact that you can see them like on the same space, on the same website, but you can see each other virtually, like I feel like that has something to it.
Like a virtual library where you're walking around and everybody's searching for different things.
Yeah. Like I feel like that is a spin that Google could do that could be like, hey, you along with like a million others are searking for stuff right now, and that's it.
Guess.
That's the little app that they do to be part of the metaverse.
It would definitely, I guess, but are we really all gonna just be like standing there?
Literally nothing, because
there's no fun in that,
Well, you don't want people like being able to chat with each other, because all of a sudden it's gonna be a huge mess of trash.
Yeah, it would just be like
it's like a hello and goodbye. That's it. That's
I see what you're saying, Will, and I think that would be like a very entry level thing. But you got to imagine Google's going to do something way cooler than that.
Well, for sure. Yeah,
you would think so. But
all I'm saying is like Google would be the biggest flex in terms of here are all the people that are on the Google website, and you can see them all, right? Yeah. Like physically or digitally present.
Yeah.
And I think that would be an interesting kind of application of the metaverse for Google, for their website. And like there'd be like an additional button on Google's like, metaverse, and it's like you could see everybody searching concurrently.
Yeah, but that would imply like, all that means is like when you hit that metaverse button, you just generate an avatar. It's pretty much like you're in crypto voxels. Like
pretty much, yeah, exactly like that. Exactly.
It's just a web browser verse.
Yeah.
You know, and then you're just kind of floating around in like an empty white abyss, maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
With everybody else.
Yeah.